People in Tamenglong district took out a massive rally highlighting their long pending issues concerning the district, which include backlog in disbursing ration under NAFSA, severe staff shortage, equipment and supplies at Tamenglong District Hospital, Tausem CHC and at Sub Health Center in Oinamlong. People also expressed their opposition against construction of German Tiger Road by KUKI groups in areas inhabited by Liangmai, Zemi, Inpui and Rongmai communities. They also demanded relevant authority to shift designated SoO camps from their areas. The mass rally was organized by civil society organizations in Tamenglong, including ZNCM, RNCM-TL, LNCM-TZ, INU-TZ, CSAT, JTWA and VACC. The rally saw participation of people from all walks of life across Tamenglong, Tausem and Tamai subdivisions. They expressed their disappointment over the continued failure of the government to address critical developmental, healthcare, infrastructure and security concerns, many of which have remained unresolved for years. Other demands include early completion of General Bir Singh and Midwifery Institute project, upgradation of Chiangdai PHSC to PHC, establishment of proposed PHC at Azuram, separate electricity feeder for district hospital, early completion of 132 by 33 kV power substation in the district and for payment of bills for material component under MG Narega. Following the rally, a memorandum was also submitted to Governor through District Commissioner of Tamenglong, reiterating their demands. Speaking on the sideline, Chairman of RNCM Tamenglong Zone Ariang Panmai urged government and relevant authority to fulfill the long pending demands of people of Tamenglong within 5 days. He also warned to carry out various agitations, including boycotting the Independence Day celebrations if government fails to address the problems.
Hojek KUKI SoO group na designated camp ekoi jemai lengmai rongmai puimai gi lamda tawduna laibse ekoi yade habi kholau du su ekoi thamjamni Tiger Road German Road masi su ekoi gi lamda semriba si tu atubada tokpio haibse meyam gi kholau ni ngasi gi maru oiba points ekoi gi agitation points se ngasi ni haibse